Well, hello there, ladies and gents. I'm Tammy Sipnewski. Thanks so much for coming to my channel where I'm reviewing yet another microphone. But this guy is a wireless lavalier microphone made by a company called FerBuee. And in case you haven't already picked up on how terrible it is, let me be really quiet so you can appreciate the horrible self-noise of this microphone. Horrendous. Don't buy this microphone. Don't buy this microphone. As a matter of fact, I am definitely going to put up a picture of this microphone right off Amazon because this guy, this evil little microphone has a bunch of evil little stunt doubles on Amazon. I think it was one of those mass-produced microphones by a Chinese company, and a lot of different companies are just putting their name on it. So really, they're not going to perform any better than this guy. And this guy touts that you can use him 100 feet away from your camera. He's going to pick you up fine. It's high tech, low radiation. I think that pretty much says it all. If somebody has to boast that their electronic equipment is high tech in 2019, be cautious. Be very cautious. So anyway, don't get this guy. Don't get anything that remotely resembles this guy. You want a wireless lavalier microphone, you're going to get what you're paying for. I would say at least $100. A budget of $100. Test it out right away as soon as it comes in. If it's not working for you, send it right back to Amazon. Okay, don't fool around. Don't be like me. And before you know it, your 30-day window is gone, and then you're stuck with a horrible piece of whatever that you're never going to use. Guys, thank you so much for joining me, and the next video is going to be on lighting. And you know what I'm going to say. Wear your sunblock.